gorgeous. Do you know what today is? You got it. It's a great day for real estate. I am going out in this weather. It's a little rainy, but that's okay. I'm going to go see some broker open house tours. I'm going to post some things. And if you see something you like, don't forget to let me know. Let's get you moving in real estate. Stay gorgeous. Today is one of those day in the life of. I always love that, but I've already got lipstick and a little bit eyeshadow on, but I will show you. I'm going to put just a tiny little bit of this cheek stuff because I've got big cheeks. They're like round, so this stuff kind of helps them get a little more, see, definition. So I'm going to do a day in the life of today so you can see what it looks like to go look at some broker open houses, which is where real estate agents like myself, professional licensed agents, get to go and look at these houses in advance so that we can quickly, literally from the car or sometimes even from the house, call our clients and be like, oh, I saw it, it's the one, or we can pass, let's go see some others. So come with me today, let's go check it out. Okay, bag is packed, computer, the list of the houses, properties that we're going to. Of course, I gotta bring my lipstick and chargers. Okay, oh, and something else. You gotta bring business cards because when you go into the open houses and you meet the other agents, they wanna know who's come by because they're gonna go back and tell their homeowners, hey, we had 10 people come through. We got this kind of feedback. It creates enthusiasm for the seller, and it also helps the listing agent to know who's been there and keep track of what may or may not come for a deal later in the day. Okay, so let's grab some of my business cards. Oh, pretty. That's spring, so I think I'm gonna get a few of these. Nice. Okay, I think I'm gonna put them in this little pink pouch. Isn't that cute to carry my business cards in? I think that'll be cute for today. I really wanted you to feel like you were a part of today's journey in real estate. Okay, look at this little cool thing. It's gonna attach up here. And then I clip my phone to it. And you guys will be able to come along with me today. And there I am. Hello. Trying to make this work. Oh my gosh, I'm still trying to make this thing work. I don't know how to make it work so I can be in the picture. Okay, I'm exhausted. I just figured out how to put this thing up. So we are putting in to go check out our first house in Weston. This is like a 1.35 that I'm kind of excited about. Let's go check it out. Okay, first stop, this antique. And I love an antique house. I have a lot of experience of buying, flipping, renovating, and helping clients fix them up. Let's go take a peek. Oh, I love a red farmhouse, an antique. Look at how cute this is.
Ooh, I'm sorry.
Tell me about it being documented in the Underground Railroad. What the heck?
So the town of Weston does, at the Historical Society, have on file that this house was used in the Underground Railroad. I don't know exactly where in the house, but if you go down to the unfinished basement, there is a hidden stairwell I did find.
Ah, I love that.
It doesn't really lead anywhere right now, but it's pretty cool, the history and being able to see that.
In perspective, y'all, this is the height of the fireplace. Massive. It's gorgeous. And you hit this fireplace as soon as you come in the front door. Talk about a welcoming opportunity. Look at these bedrooms. I have to say they're really nice broker to broker. Sometimes they'll put out refreshments. So today, let's see. I think I'm going to go with a tangerine and a Werther's. Beautiful house. I have some clients, they're kind of tall. I don't think that house would work for them. But if you guys like an antique, let me know and let me get you in here. It's amazing. What an amazing property. 2 acres and room for a pool. What does that cottage mean for you? It's income. That's smart real estate. Let me know if you're interested. Okay, so I like that house. Not exactly for the client that I was thinking about, but now I get in the car and I take my paper out and I make notes about it. What I liked, what the pros were, the cons were. I also like to ask the agent sort of what the timing is, how eager, how quickly they want to move, and what some of the terms are that they're looking for so I can better craft an offer for a client. I'm giggling because this is definitely where the realtor is setting up her stuff. Kitchen looks fantastic. Right, and overlooks the pool. Look at this. Beautiful view of the pool. I would definitely be friends with this homeowner. She's got pink little bits everywhere. Okay, we're off to the next. This is an interesting part of Westport. It starts down here, which gets you into town, but it's also got this beautiful section heading this way north into Weston. It's so cute with the stone font and the little planters all ready to get flowers. How pretty. Such a pretty primary. Just beautiful. I love a quiet moment like this.
One of the other things that is so great about these broken upper houses is the socializing. Look at this mom, her daughter dancing when it was just a little baby goo-goo, and now she's like a queen in real estate. Like, I bow to them. And that's what you get when you go on broker open house tours. It's true.
Okay, time for some nourishment.
Like going through, wait, reels, like, wait.
Whew, okay, I'm heading home. And the next step for me, for broker open houses, is now to compile the reel, to start to share the information with the clients that I was thinking about them when I went to see those houses, and also to put it on my social media so you guys can see it. And as a side note, new law that went into effect in December is we now have to make sure, which by the way makes sense, that the people that we were filming in their houses, that the agent that's listing that property says it's okay for us to include it in our reels or social media like that. And I actually think that's a good thing. So I sent text to each of the houses and they all said, yay, thanks, yes, share, tag me. So it's great, it's social, it's helpful. And I hope you guys thought that this reel about what goes on behind a broker open house, I hope you found this to be interesting and helpful. Stay gorgeous, and don't forget to DM me Michelle's Methods if you would like my super tips for buying a house and listing a house.